That's a really nice shell we found on the beach, and we want to make a nice soap holder for our bathroom. And the first thing, as you can see, this stuff comes off, so I want to clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna use something like that, like a tray mill or cheaper version of it. Clean it up in the middle, and then the last step we'll probably have to try it if we can seal it off with just normal clear acrylic spray afterwards. Let's get started. Yeah, we removed all the soft parts of that shell. I'm just gonna wash it and then have a look at it and maybe do a little bit more of sanding. The pearl mold came out quite nicely, and now you can make the decision: you just leave it or you put some coat on it. I'm not quite sure how the coat's gonna react with the shell. Got clear acrylic spray, and I'm gonna have a try how it looks on our shell. Yeah, when it's dry, just turn it around and let's do the other side. Perfect.